All right, you lovely lot, before we dive in, don't forget to smash that link in the description below for your SendFox lifetime deal. Trust me, your inbox will thank you. So, you've heard about SendFox, right? It's the cheeky underdog of email marketing, built for creators like us who want all the key features, but none of the monthly wallet punching. SendFox is all about keeping it simple, affordable, and just a bit fun. Think Yorkshire tea, but for your emails. Let's talk money. SendFox doesn't do subscriptions. Nope. One-off lifetime payments and you're sorted. The deals run like this. $49 gets you 5,000 contacts, $98 gets you 10,000, $147 for 15,000, and $196 scores you 20,000. I mean, where else can you buy your email list a permanent home for less than the price of a posh night out? And if you're worried about buyer's remorse, relax. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee so you can try it risk-free. All tiers let you send unlimited emails, set up unlimited automations, schedule campaigns, and even pull content straight from your blog or YouTube for what they call smart campaigns. You get basic CRM, GDPR compliance, integrations with Zapier and Pals, and you can manage multiple brands from just one account. Oh, and every future update, that's thrown in, no sneaky upsells later on. But wait, what's the catch? Well, SendFox keeps it lean. The editor's a bit, let's say, no frills. If you're after fancy graphics and pixel-perfect layouts, you might be disappointed. And automation? It's missing the if-then logic, so no mad scientist automations here. There's also no native Shopify support, and landing pages can't use your own domain. Plus, deliverability can be a bit slow for new contacts, so don't promise that free ebook will hit their inbox instantly. Still, for bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters, or the savvy solopreneur, SendFox is brilliant bang for your buck. Over 22,000 creators are already on board, and some big names swear by it. If you want affordable, fuss-free email marketing, this is the secret sauce. Last reminder, hit the link in the description for your lifetime deal before it disappears. Go on, treat your business and your email list.